ABC Research Laboratories was founded in 1967 by Dr. Bill Brown. The foundation of the company was based on helping clients with food safety. The mission statement of the company, ensuring food safety, quality, and nutritional value, is one that's been upheld since 1967 and will be maintained throughout the future. I've been around small business my entire career. I was asked to join ABC in 2004 on the board of directors based on my experience as an entrepreneur and a small businessman. And then in 2007, I became the Chief Operating Officer and remained on the board. And then in 2009, I became the Chief Executive Officer and subsequently bought the company in April of 2011, and we're going great guns. My interest in science has been at the cutting edge level of new instrumentation and new tests that are formed. On the chemical side, instrumentation is becoming increasingly sophisticated with respect to detection limits and what we can see in any given compound. Further, on the microbiological side, we feel that the way of the future is going to be microbial genetics, whereas up to now it's just been pathogen detection systems. There's going to be more and more sophistication, and we plan to be on that edge. And for me, it's fascinating to learn about the science as it progresses. What we offer you is the ability to understand the science behind what we do, as well as to understand the process as we go forward with the testing protocol. So, for example, you send us a sample, we send you an email recognizing that we've received your sample. Further, we keep in touch with you during the scope of the testing so that you understand where we are in the process, and also the science behind the process. As much as you want to understand, we can explain to you. ABC Research Laboratories is differentiated from a typical laboratory by our human resources as well as our physical resources. On the human resources side, we have a dedicated staff of bright young people that are well trained both in their disciplines academically as well as practical training on the job. Secondly, with respect to the investment that we make in instrumentation, we are dedicated to buying the latest and greatest, the lowest detection level equipment and instrumentation that's available, and learning how to run it properly, efficiently, and in a timely manner. For you in the restaurant industry, ABC Research Laboratories offers a unique solution. Oftentimes you have your own business to run, you have enough on your plate, pardon the pun, but we offer a complete solution for you in solving and complying with the new governmental regulations. We offer the level of expertise that will make the process seamless for you. Our expertise involves both the understanding of each of the different food products, what the results should look like. We understand what they should look like, so if there's something that comes up awry, we'll look at it, discuss it with you, and understand what's going on. Your involvement can be as much as you like, understanding the process and the science behind it, or as little as you like. If you just say, here's my menu, please take care of it and let me know the results. We're always available for questions and understanding the process and what's happening. Further, we have regulatory expertise. We understand what the regulations are and who's behind them and what the necessary requirements are. So all of these factors brought together in one piece make this particular compliance very easy for restaurant owners. ABC Research has done literally thousands of labels over many, many years for various different restaurant chains as well as for the packaged goods industry. This gives us the experience differential that provides our clients with the understanding that we're doing the work properly and that whatever shows up on their label has definitive credibility. We understand the nuances of what goes on a label and the ingredients therein. We understand the science behind it. We are an ISO 17025 accredited laboratory, which means that there are very strict guidelines that we must follow in terms of our testing protocols. ISO accreditation, and ISO stands for the International Standards Organization, by the way, and is a global organization that represents excellence in our particular industry, the testing industry. I want you to know that ABC Research Laboratories is dedicated to solving your particular problems. Your involvement in the solution of those problems can be as minimal as you like because we have the expertise on staff to handle it right from start to finish. or if you are interested in the process, we're certainly more than happy to include you and explain to you the scientific principles behind what we do, as well as the time required to perform these analyses.